G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset today, talking about simplicity can bring great clarity. So obviously, I focus on some really simple things because they're duplicatable, they're reproducible. And I've mentioned before, I have a diploma in technical analysis. I've studied the markets for 20 years, and none of that really helped me ever make money or be consistent. And with scalable setups, all that sort of stuff, it was always a task of trying to find a trade and then use my technical analysis to get some pips or make pips, and then the belief that if I was I was going to master the markets and make a lot of money from that. But it didn't really ever pan out for me that way. And then again, through School of Hard Knocks and through learning, tweaking, piecing together things and learning from other traders, then the reproducibility became more consistent. Understanding that the power of catching, I suppose, explosive moves or moves that offered higher possibility opportunities on the shorter time frames. That task also became painful because, again, you peel the onion back and there's another whole new layer to learn, and ultimately you stumble and keep stumbling. And for me, I had to keep peeling things back because, as many traders say, well, how did you see that in live time? And let's see you do it live. And the belief being that if I show you a live trade, that you're actually all of a sudden going to absorb through osmosis the knowledge and skill and emotional regulation, the mental clarity, the patience, the discipline to enforce that on a consistent basis on different variables every single day by watching one live trade. You don't learn any skill until you're actually put under pressure and forced to apply it in live circumstances. You don't learn anything by reading. Sorry, that's not correct. You cannot really be empowered by anything you read, watch, observe until you have to apply it under pressure in real life circumstances. And that goes for anything in life, any skill, athletic endeavor, anything at all. You can learn, you can study, you can practice, but until you are forced to apply it under live circumstances and then be able to reproduce that consistently, that's when the real development happens. So simplicity is supreme in that, because when it's simple, it gives you clarity and confidence because it's reproducible over and over and over again. The time of day, the high and the low, engulfments, pin hammers, W's, M's, triple tops. But again, I'm looking for just simple stuff. As many of you now see, there's trades every single day on any of the pairs. Doesn't mean every single pair is going to give a trade every single session, but there's multiple trade opportunities using the news calendar, whatever that may be. Not to trade the news. Somebody said to me today, I thought you don't trade before the news. Well, if it's a half an hour before the news and I have a sell high opportunity at the high of the day, why wouldn't I take that trade? I'll be out before the news. Just common sense stuff. But keeping it simple means, and if you follow gold long enough, you're going to see that they do the same things every day, and then the news candle itself might spike back and forth, but they still do the same things every day. So keep it simple. Simplicity gives you great clarity in terms of not only consistency, but duplicating that, building your confidence, and helping you to, again, craft something that you can grow and scale up in size. Keep it simple, traders. Simplicity is supreme. Have a great trading session today, and may the markets go with you.